Northern mockingbird.
Oh, that little bird will bother you. I almost got my dog. You little bad bird.
The bird in the image is a northern mockingbird, Mimus polyglottos. Description and habitat: northern mockingbirds are medium-sized, grayish-white songbirds with long tails and prominent white patches on their wings and tail, which are particularly visible in flight. They are a New World species, found throughout much of North America, including the continental United States, Mexico, and parts of Canada and the Caribbean. They readily adapt to human environments and are commonly found in suburban areas, parks, gardens, and areas with open ground and shrubby vegetation. Vocalizations and mimicry, known for their exceptional ability to mimic the songs and calls of other birds, as well as various environmental sounds like car alarms. Their Latin name, Mimus polyglottos, translates to many-tongued mimic. Males are particularly vocal, often singing day and night during the breeding season, especially unmated males. Diet and foraging. Northern mockingbirds are omnivores, with their diet shifting seasonally. They primarily consume insects like beetles, grasshoppers, and caterpillars in the spring and summer, transitioning to fruits and berries in the fall and winter. They forage on the ground, often using a wing flash display to startle insects. Behavior. These birds are known for their territorial nature, especially around their nests, and will boldly defend against perceived threats, including cats, snakes, and even humans. They are also prolific breeders, with females laying pale bluish-green eggs with reddish-brown speckles in nests built in trees and shrubs. Cultural significance. The northern mockingbird holds cultural significance, being the state bird of several U.S. states, including Texas, Florida, Mississippi, Tennessee, and Arkansas.